From waste to wonder. For this creative project, we transform discarded materials, carton, sticker wood, can caps, and stickers into unique handmade clock. The preparation begins with preparing the carton base and shaping it into a desired clock design.
Dosky got you. Dosky got you.
Dosky Arts.
Got you. I best stand well.
We carefully arranged and attached the sticker wood to create texture and structure.
Dosky got you. Dosky got you. Dosky got you.
Dosky Arts.
Got you. I best stand well. Dosky got you. Dosky got you. Dosky got you.
After assembling the parts, the clock mechanism was installed, turning everyday waste materials into a functional piece of art.
I best stand well.
Waste is not just waste. With imagination, we can become something beautiful and useful.